Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to refinance your student loan with SoFi. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom screen, we have the Discover tab, where we are at the moment. We have the watch list, the account, we have the invest, we have the orders, and the last thing is the socials in the bottom right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and refinance your student loan with SoFi. So refinancing your student loan with SoFi can help you lower your interest rate, reduce your monthly payments, or pay off your loans faster. And here's a step-by-step guide how you can get started. So visit the SoFi website and use their tool to check your rate. This is a soft inquiry and won't affect your credit score. Choose the loan term and monthly payment that best fits your financial situation. SoFi offers both fixed and variable rates. Fill out the online application form. This will include a hard credit pull, which can affect your credit score. Provide any necessary documentation such as proof of income, identification, and details about your current loans. Once approved, review the terms of new loan and sign the agreement, of course. After refinancing, you can manage your loan through the SoFi online platform. You might also be eligible for a 0.25 interest rate reduction if you set up auto-pay from a SoFi checking and saving account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.